What's up mga kalomnoms? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Ayala Feliz 5th floor sa may Prime Steak House. Ayan, unlimited yung mga steak nila dito. Ayan yung menu, check nyo na lang. For the sides, we got the buttery green beans, the coleslaw, french fries, and syempre hindi mawawala ang mashed potatoes. May grill marks pa siya, diba? Pero hopefully, sana masarap siya. Let's try it. So the first one is New York strip. This is that one. Tignan nyo naman, medyo makapal siya guys. Mga kanomnoms. Hindi siya mainit. Hindi siya mainit mga kanomnoms. Which makes me sad, but yeah, let's try it. So we got medium rare. Alam nyo naman, every time we get steak, we get medium rare. Pero syempre, depende sa wellness na gusto. See that? So let's try first just with nothing. Malambot. Malambot. Parang iba yung taste ng gravy nila. This is my favorite. My favorite sauce of all time. Leah and Perrins. May hot sauce sila. The steak is pretty, soft naman. In fairness, kasi yung iba medium rare. Ang tigas ng steak, pero okay naman siya. So let's try it with Leah and Perrins. Why? It's okay, but anyway, let's try the next one. Now let's try this with A1 sauce. It's really bland for me. Siyempre, liquid seasoning tayo dyan. Let's try it. Yung taste ng steak itself, parang walang timpla. Try it. Let's try the coleslaw. In fairness, masarap yung coleslaw nila. This is the green, butter green beans thing. It's okay. Mashed potato. Try the mashed potato. I'm not sure to what to make of this. I guess it's okay if you like to smother it with gravy. Yung texture ng mashed potato nila, ka-texture ng KFC. Tignan nyo naman yung hot sauce. Tabasco, baby. Tabasco, tagilid natin to kasi, parang it's too watery. Let's try it again with the gravy and the hot sauce. Ay hindi, try muna natin ang meron ng salt and pepper yung steak. But yung coleslaw, I'm digging it a bit. Kasi ayaw niya direct, hindi niya trip, pero gusto ko yung coleslaw kasi medyo matamis at saka hindi siya sobra sa mayo. I'm still looking for that steak na kahit walang mga sauces, walang anything, pag tinikman mo may lasa na kaya. Baka nasanay lang ako sa steak ni Mami. Hey! Nakakamiss. For the sides, for me, I'll go for the coleslaw first. The fries second kasi can't go wrong with fries. Buti naman ako yung fries nila kahit pa paano. Third one is the mashed potato. And the fourth one is the green beans. Na-order tayo ng ribeye na hanggang ngayon wala pa. Dali na. Thank you, ate. Salamat. Okay, this is the ribeye. Hawakan ko lang baka malaglag eh. Touch test ulit. Siguro kaya medyo matagal. So, let's go mga kanom-noms ulit. Ribeye. Let's try the ribeye. Again, without anything. Medium rare. Tapos in fairness mga kanomnoms, mainit siya. O hindi siya ganun kainit pero sort of. Pero dito naman sa ribeye, you can taste the difference between the New York strip and the ribeye. Mas may lasa tong ribeye. Thank you Direk sa bagong mic. Yes! Thank you Direk. Thank you Direk. Dahil nga good job daw tayo. This doesn't have that much of a taste, but this is better than the first one. We are on our third. So the first one we got the New York strip, the second one we got the ribeye, and the third one this is the beef salpicao. May mushroom. So supposing meron siyang taste. But before the mushroom, let's get the beef. This is the best one by far. Probably because it has taste. It's a lot better, but it's a bit salty. But it's better. But let's see if the beef salpicao is better partnered with something. So let's try it with the mashed potatoes. You would pair it with rice kasi it's a bit salty. The portioning here is very generous. In fairness naman, hindi sila nag-fail sa wellness ng steak. Kaya lang ang lasa niya, parang palaging kulang ng something. For its price and its portioning, it's not bad. Sa mga kanomnomsing ambience and crew nila, we'll just rate that as 5 out of 5. Good job. So mga kanomnoms, try nyo na lang if you want. That's it, Pansit, and it's a wrap.